Clothes, pollution, not something you would have thought about, right? I mean, we think about air and water pollution, but not clothes pollution. Well, here's some news for you. When you wash your clothes, especially the brand new ones, you are polluting the water bodies near you. And it's not just your business. It's estimated that 35% of the world's microplastics are from washing our clothes. But before you start blaming yourself, let me tell you this. There's someone else to blame, and that's the brands that make fast fashion. Because here's what happens. These brands produce clothes at such a scale and at such a pace that they do uncare about what materials they use or how they re-affecting the environment. What they care about is producing more so that you keep coming back for more. So while shopping from them may seem like a good deal, it isn't really. Because when you wash those clothes, the dyes, the chemicals, the excess threads, all of it goes into the water bodies. In oceans, they kill marine life. They choke birds. They get absorbed in fish, which eventually end up on our plates. And here's the thing. This has been going on for decades now. The U.S. apparel market alone produces about 3 million tons of textile waste every year. And globally, it's about 93 million tons. Most of it ends up in landfills where it sits for years because textiles don't decompose easily. They take anywhere between 200 to 1,000 years to do so. And even then, they don't break down completely. They leave behind microplastics, which end up in the soil and water bodies. So how do we tackle this problem? Well, first, we need to change the way we're making clothes. We need to move away from fast fashion because it's only making us poorer, both in terms of the money we're spending and the planet we're living on. Instead, we need to invest in quality over quantity. Wear clothes that last longer and buy from brands that are prioritizing sustainability. Next, you can also buy secondhand. The secondhand market is a treasure trove of unique pieces that have already been made and are just waiting for a new owner to give them some more life. You can also rent clothes for special occasions instead of buying them brand new. There are plenty of rental services out there that offer a wide variety of options at affordable prices. And finally, when it comes to washing clothes, we all need to do our bit. Use cold water, wash full loads, avoid overwashing, and use eco-friendly detergents. And if you're worried about microplastics, well, there are now washing machines that have a special filter to catch them. So next time you go clothes shopping, remember these tips and choose wisely. Don't let fast fashion trick you into buying things you don't need. Invest in quality pieces that will last you a long time and make sure they remade from sustainable materials. You can also try buying secondhand or renting clothes for special occasions. Trust me, there are some real gems out there just waiting to be found. And hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to our channel? We've got plenty of videos on sustainable living, climate change, and everything in between. So hit that subscribe button and join the movement towards a greener, more sustainable future. Together, we can make a difference. So don't wait. Subscribe today and be a part of the solution. You know, we often hear about plastic pollution and how it's harming the planet. But did you know that clothes contribute significantly to this problem? Well, there's good news. A recent innovation in fabric manufacturing might just change that. You see, most clothes are made from synthetic fibers like polyester and nylon, which are derived from fossil fuels. Not only is this production process harmful to the environment, but these synthetic fibers also release microplastics into the ocean when washed, polluting the water and harming marine life. But now a company has developed a way to make polyester from recycled plastic bottles, reducing the demand for fossil fuels and preventing plastic waste from ending up in landfills. Plus, their fabric is durable, looks great, and feels comfortable, proving that sustainability and style can go hand in hand. So, say goodbye to fast fashion and hello to a better, brighter future with us.